What's going on, everybody? I know I haven't made a video in a while, but we took a break from the house, and this is what I got going on right now. It's gonna be a storm shelter. We're tired of hiding in the garage, and we're going to build this storm shelter. I got the plans off of I think it's called Fema or something like that. But this is my field. This is what I do. I do rebar for a living, or used to. So I'm gonna get some bars bent up, and we're going to get the slab down there so we can pour that. Look at this guy, king of the mountain there. All right, so I'm gonna bend these dowels so we can get some verticals going through the cells of the blocks. So I'll put you guys on time lapse.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, this morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind.
All right, guys, so I worked on this for a little bit today, and this is where we've gotten. We got ouch, we got rebar in every cell of the CMU. We have it's a thickened edge, 10 inches on the side. It'll be a 5-inch slab. Got mesh. That should be plenty good for the slab. We'll come out tomorrow and start mixing concrete so we can get it poured. All right, good morning, everybody. This is day 3, and day 3 of the storm shelter build, and this is where we've gotten. We poured the concrete yesterday, and looks good. We poured it by hand, and let me tell you, a lot of work. It took 59 bags, I think it was. So it should have been the hardest part of it all, but a little hard work never killed nobody. So we're going to take these forms down, my racks for my rebar, and we're going to start figuring out how we're laying these blocks down. We have an idea. Obviously we have an idea because we laid out the dowels, but we're gonna start getting lines up so we know where our blocks are going to be at, and then we'll put the mortar bed down for the first layer, and then after that we'll be dry stacking and then surface bonding the outsides and inside. So that should be pretty interesting. Now I'm overdoing the rebar on this. As I said before, this was my job, not storm shelters but rebar. I used to do rebar for 10-11 years and was successful at doing it. So I'm overdoing it. It says rebar should be vertically every 40 inches, but that might be good enough for some of your guys' family, but mine, we're going to do every cell. So we'll show you the process on the way, and we'll get after it. Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday, Father's Day. So to all your fathers out there, happy Father's Day. So it is Sunday. I don't typically work on the weekend on the house, but this is where we've gotten on the storm shelter here. We are, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but we are doing a dry stack and then do the surface bond on the sides and inside. But I poured the slab. I got rebar in all the cells there. We have rebar horizontally around, and it's coming out pretty good. I'm happy with it. It on the inside here from corner to corner is 5'3", 5'3", but it is coming along. I have filled some of the cells with concrete. They're in there pretty good. I used the old mixer to do the slab, and it was a lot of work. It was hot. That was another reason that we're slow going. It's pretty warm here in Kentucky. It's like 95, but I used I think it was 59 bags of 80-pound concrete to do the slab. Even let the old grandkid put his little hand in there. But yeah, it's coming along. We should be able to finish next week in the next video that I do. I know I haven't been doing very many videos lately. It's just everything was slow going. We was waiting on the termite people to come, and they was backed up, so they couldn't come out when we wanted to. But I have been doing some work on the outside of the house. These are just temporary. We're gonna have underground there so we don't have to walk over the gutters, but we did do gutters on the house. Replace the fascia board and put gutters up, trying to stop the water intrusion into the house. We had some pretty good rain for probably a week straight, and we definitely found some weakness, some weak spots in the house. as far as water, I can show you some of the stuff that I've had to do back here in the back. Let me turn you around. So I don't know if you guys seen this, but we've had to do a French drain here, and that keeps everything dry there. I've also did another French drain back here. So before we have a French drain that goes through here to the corner of the house, around the garage and down. Well, this up here was allowing a lot of water to get in there, and the garage was getting wet. So what I've done is I went back and dug another French drain here to catch all that water. So all the water that comes off the mountain here, that comes down, mostly right here, to be honest with you, it's an insane amount of water, it comes into this French drain and shoots it out. And then whatever comes off the house or drips down or whatever, this one's will take care of that. And then there's some more gutters up there. But yeah, this is that's what I've been doing for the times that you guys haven't seen me. But back to the storm shelter, we should be able to get that done next week's video. So hopefully you guys tune in and see my struggles. Thanks for watching, guys.